All right, we are on question number 3. Simplify 16 over 9 all raised to the power of negative 3 over 2 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of negative 3 over 4. And everything is raised to the power of 1 over 3. The options are given here, and we have the question written here this way. So we are going to apply our knowledge of indices to resolve this question. It's very, very simple. So move along with us. So the first thing, we're going to apply the power rule. We multiply the power here by what we have here. Anytime, any day we have something like this, 2 raised to the power of 3, everything raised to the power of 2, for instance, is the same thing as 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2, which will give us 2 raised to the power of 6. So that is simply what we're going to do here. So we have 16 over 9, everything raised to the power of negative 3 over 2 times 1 over 3 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of negative 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 over 3. Since everything here share this power, so we are going to have 16 over 9 all raised to the power of, we have 3 here, 1, 3 here, 1. Negative 1 times 1 will give us negative 1 over 2 times 1 will give us 2. Multiplied by 16, we have negative 3 here, 1, 3 here, 1. Negative 1 times 1 will give us negative 1. Over 4 times 1 will give us 4. Alright. We're good to move on. Now, anytime, any day, we have a number raised to the power of a fraction. You look at what we have as the denominator of this fraction, we take the square root since it is over 2. Like this one is over 4, we are going to take the fourth root of this number. So we have square root of 16 over 9 raised to the power of, remember, a negative 1. Multiplied by what we have here, the fourth root of 16 raised to the power of negative 1. Don't forget that. It is very, very important. Now, take a look at this. Anytime, any day, a number is raised to a negative index, like s raised to the power of negative 2 is the same thing as 1 over s raised to the power of 2. So, the same way, we are going to have root of, we're going to take the reciprocal of this. So the reciprocal of 16 over 9 is 9 over 16. Because of this negative index, we take the reciprocal. That is just what we did here. We take the reciprocal and retaining the power. Any number raised to the power of 1 is the same number. That is why I don't mind to bring that whatever 1 there. So we have multiplied by fourth root of 16 raised to the power of negative index. We're going to take the reciprocal of this number also, 1 over 16. Since it's raised to the power of negative 1. So we have it, 16 raised to the power of 1 is the same thing as 16. So we can now move on. Root of 9 is 3. And root of 16 is 4. Okay. Multiplied by the fourth root of 1 is 1. And fourth root of 16 is 2. So we have 3 times 1 to give us 3, and 4 times 2 to give us 8. Therefore, our final answer is 3 over 8. And that is option C. Option C is the correct option there. Thanks for watching. We are going to resolve question number 4.